So I finally got this giant masonry built, and I've realised that even though it's really big and is densely packed and has a pretty nice all the way through design, there are a couple of problems with this design. Like, this is extremely crammed, which is great, but there are some things that I can do to make it even better. Like, see, if I was to delete some of these central pillars, I could put down warehouses just right here. Small, well, I need to clear some more space on top of this, but you can't delete individual rooms. Like, see, if you try and delete stuff, it doesn't let you, but you can delete these walls. So if you leave wall space inside these buildings, you can tinker around with warehouses, so I need to do that. But also, there's only one slot here for cut stone, and this fills up. This gets maxed out, and when it does, production totally stops. Like, once it gets to 31, I think it is, I think the cap is 31. It's one below the power of 2. Yeah, I was at 20 there. So there's going to be times where my workers have to just completely stop dead in their tracks, and that's 300 people that are no longer doing anything. See, like, you can see it's just, the production has sped up, and it has to keep getting taken away, and I have to have a lot of workers there to stop it from hitting that cap. So when this thing really picks up, and I've got a lot of stone stored, well, do I actually? I don't know. I'm supposed to have lots of stone stored, but yeah, I need to fix that. I need to improve this. Yeah, there we go. Look, it's totally seized up, and it says internal storage has been reached. Like, it'll come up, and there's also this number here, how busy your employees are, workload. It's only at 96%, so I'm missing out on 4% of productivity. Look, there it is, internal storage is full and production is stalled. So when you're making these mega facilities, you have to make sure, well, how many workers have I got actually doing this? I've got 10 workers there dedicated to dealing with this, but they're not doing it. So you need to just have more storage. I've even got workers here, and they're all set to grab automatically, they're just not doing it. So that's capped out again, see, look, internal storage is full. So what I need to do here is design another mega facility, and let's just start. I need to get, this is going to be a masonry, so that's going to be 27 times 51. I'll do it out here where it's nice and open. 27 times 51. Yep, so I need to, first thing I need is more storage, so I have to do that right in the corner, pretty much. And then, and this is going to assume that you're familiar with the layout optimization guide that I made, which is good. Like, you can work off of this. Like, I made little mini warehouses just right alongside, basically built into the facility, which is on the outside, but ideally I think you would have warehouses on the inside. You'd have small ones, like you'd have one here, one there, and that would be amazing. That would be perfect if I just had warehouses set up like that. And then I could even sort of refurbish it right now, but I don't want to do that. Instead, I'm going to try and get a better design. Yeah, so first thing I'll do is just set up production, set up all of this facility that I'm going to need. I'll start from the corners and I'll see how I'm doing. And you have to go 2 apart, otherwise you just don't have enough space. So this is the optimized. This is the one you want to use. I looked at this, it's weird because, see this is supposed to be an isomer of that. It's 7 by 14, but this only gives 10 workers, whereas if you do this, you get 12. So it's actually broken. This is underpowered, really underpowered. Even though it's got a nice looking design, kinda, it's still shit. It's just inferior. Yeah, it's crap. It is nice having those two pillars right on the end though, so you could maybe cram quite well. Like, see those bits on the end? I'm gonna try this actually. I'm gonna see how well this works. I could maybe pull this off. It's gonna be a big loss in efficiency though, because it's gonna be... yeah, right. It's gonna be... what is it? 10 twelfths of the capacity that I could have, so it's... I don't think this is going to be worth it. I think it might give some parsimonious laying out, but like, this is good. This is quite nice. And if I was to put this down, I wouldn't be able to put anything in. Well, actually, wait a minute. Maybe this is kinda a little bit better. I'm thinking about it. Wait a minute, maybe I can do something with this then. Nah. It's kind of shit. You've got to do this, I think. Alright, I'm gonna have to build out from this side now. And I'm just gonna go all the way down. 180, see, it's kind of shit. That seems kind of shit. But it is nice to just have that be so efficient like that. Maybe you could work this into your designs. And then I could maybe do workbenches in the middle. How would that do it if I was to put this down in here now? Fuck. Because it seems like we've got the... maybe we've got the space to do this. Alright, that leaves a bit of room there. Wait a minute, no. Maybe this can work. If I cram along the edges with these, and then I use this other one for the internals, then maybe this can actually be good. Can maybe even get warehouses down around here, like this. Let's just keep going, build this all the way, and then I'll gradually reduce the amount that I use for, yeah, well, look, yeah. Okay, 238, that seems, I don't know, doesn't seem that bad yet. Yeah, so we can go, no, we can't even go all the way through now, it's kind of shit, actually. Yeah, I want to be able to go all the way through in a straight line and have room for warehouses and I mean, I need room for maybe some auxiliaries, but mainly warehouses. I don't need much space up there. I'm just going to be optimising for auxiliaries down here and trying to use the top for all the workplaces. Fuck. I want to be able to go all the way through left to right. Alright, so that goes all the way through. $298 is not bad so far, but I think we can usually manage better than that. And that gives an additional 3, nah. And then if I'm going to try and get some pillars down... fuck's sake. Oh man. Well, maybe this can work. I don't know. And then you can put down auxiliaries all over here. And it's important to notice that you can actually put something on top of that there. Wait a minute, I can even do this. Yeah, there we go. So that's 298, which I think is worse than I've managed before doing stuff like this. And now if I want, I can put pillars down here and then dig them out and put down warehouses, and I can have warehouses in there without walls. So there's going to be access to stone inside here at all times. I don't know, 300 workers. If I can get all of this, I'm at 71% right now, so I should be able to get more than this. I'm going to try and make the most of this. $76. I do like this. I think it's probably pretty decent. Yeah, and we have 5 rooms of storage down there. I can get rid of some of these walls, streamline this out. Eight 5, 8 6. Let's see if I can shrink any more of this. Oh my god, yeah, I do need all these, god damn it. Look at that. Oh man. Oh yeah, this is actually really crammed already. 298, I don't know, I think I can manage better than that. I think I have done before. So I tried experimenting with this design here and it's just not good enough. This is a really interesting optimization challenge. Wait a minute, maybe I can... because I've left myself a lot of room, so if I fill in all these, which is somewhere I'm not really going to care about, oh man, I need to get more in here as well. Alright, we've got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, so if I... fuck. That's a really interesting challenge. Looking 15 minutes in, I've got an almost finished building. And then I'm just thinking, oh man, I've got 100%. Now I just need to make sure this is all... oh man. Fuck, maybe? Oh wow, right. Oh shit, it's not. Oh, what's going on there? Son of a bitch. Oh, fuck. I thought I had it there, I need to figure out what the fuck's going on. Look at this, I need to have all of this, my god. Don't want to interfere with anything that's going on over there. I need to get this right. Could do this, and that would do it. Right, 298 workers, and then it's just about giving myself... Like, I do have plenty of space here that I can use. Man, yeah, I can improve this. Alright, so we're gonna have that totally filled, leave that empty. Have this totally filled, leave that empty. Have this totally filled, leave that empty. Have this totally filled, leave that empty. Man, I was searching, hunting for efficiencies and I didn't need to. Alright, we've got enough. We've got spare capacity for work. Now I would shrink these. Okay, so we're gonna have warehouses there, 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 and there potentially. If we want to do that. That's 298 workers. Yeah, I need to get doors now. So we've made a really easy grid design. It's open. Everything works. Oh, nice. Okay. And I can save this. 298 workers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dump rooms. I could even increase this if I wanted. I could try. I'm gonna try and do that. Storage. Auxiliaries. Oh, nice. Okay, we got it. Oh man, this is good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's going to store 200 cut stone. Now I need to just get more doorways. Oh yeah, I can do that. That's nice. Oh, it works. Everything is great here. That's good. I'm gonna save this. 298 workers, 7 dump. 298 workers, 7 dump. Yeah. Alright, I'm storing that. That's gonna be 298 worker grid, 7 door dump, internal warehouse. Alright. So that's one possibility, right? I just designed a really efficient... Yeah, so that works. 288 workers versus 336, and that's what really matters, I think, getting the most out of your workers, because even though we have 336 workers here, the proximity, the workload, the actual workload here is 94%, the proximity is 77%, so we're getting 94% of 77%, which is about 72%, so we could be getting another 3, well, it's only getting 499 stone, and then if we check stone production on a daily basis, we're getting 500. Oh man, we had some nice days. Right, let's get rid of that though, let's see if we can do better. Right, I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna put down my new one. This is a beautiful design. Holy shit, it's beautiful. Get this down and see how we do. We need to clear it all, we need to build it all up. I need to just let that get built. Can excavate here, here. Oh shit. Here. And we can get warehouses in there and fill them up with stone. We can even use transports to just inject stone right into the facility. I think this is going to eventually get patched, so this could eventually become obsolete. I think the developer described an intention of making this not required, but this is down here. See this is required. You need to have storage right there to minimise time spent, and then you would ideally even have transports just right here as well. Like, I'm gonna have to probably get big transports going. And this warehouse and that warehouse, I don't like them. Even though the idea is really good, I need to do better than that, so come on, warehouse. Warehouse. Yep, and what I need to do is line up this door with this line, so they just go straight west. And that'll do it. Or I could even get a double sized, I think I might want to do that. So I would get a double sized warehouse right here that just lines up perfectly with the opening to go in. And then they can go on whatever side they want, and the storage is right there, and it's totally open. Look at that, it's really open. How good is that? Alright, and then the road, you want to have the best possible roads. So that's going to just be all roaded up. You'd maybe even want highways just right there. Speed 10%. Is that highways going down? Did I just make... no, bricked roads? What the fuck? Nah, we're making... God damn, no one likes that. No one. Alright, fungus highways. It's gotta be fungus highways. And I'm gonna look forward to having this all built. Alright, now clear out all the area around this. Could even just get transports down over here, like a big one, a big transport. The export depot's fine, the janitor I think can get moved. We can reorient that and move over here. And clear this out. And then I could probably just get a small one right here. I think this would do the job. A minute. How would this be? If they barely even have to move, let's try this, right? That fits in really nicely. In fact, I'm gonna get one that just... yeah, that's right there, right there. And then this transport can go... So the stone is being imported to here, which might not even be ideal, because I think ideally you would have proper management of resources off-site. Alright, it's going up, it's going up. So warehouses... warehouse, no walls. And then crates just right here. And then again, right here. Right here, yeah. And I can get transports, that's four masonries. So what I can do is... I think this would probably work as well. If I got a transport, set it up just right here, and just injected fucking stone right into... Like, see, if I was to get transports and set them up here, then I think they would take the stone directly from there, or if they had to, they would go... I think this is what you want. Transports are probably... I don't know. Nah. I think that's all waste of effort. I think... where's my stone? Yeah, stone transport up here. Up here. Alright, so we're gonna remove this. And we're going to just try and inject these with stone directly from off-site, which is I think the way you want to do it. The stone that I'm mining has to get moved over here, so I might as well do it directly and just send it straight into these warehouses that are inside the facility. I'm going to have to check the numbers for what is it? Insulation on the facility itself. Alright, so we get a nice level 22, 94%, what the hell? So insulation has gone down for some reason. I think it's because it's exposed to the elements from the outside. Alright, let's put priority up for this. 670. I'm gonna be really curious to see how we do. Alright, cut stone. Gonna give it some workers. Alright, so this is filling up and it's not seasoned up yet, which is nice. But it is really exposed insulation, 94%. It's not ideal. That's another 13% cost of maintenance. 1 metal a day, nearly 3 furniture a day, it's just not good. Gonna have to close up some of these entryways. Fuck. I don't want to do that though. So, refill there. Refill down there as well, because it's kind of useless. And fill this. And fill that. See how this does, 94%. 95. Shit. All this stuff going on in the middle is messing this up a bit, I think. 94, 93%, 92. We're gonna get full workload out of this though. It's filling up nicely, come on, hurry up. Oh man, it's getting taken immediately. Good, good, good. Oh my god, that's perfect. That's what you want. And that's going to be most of my traffic. It's going to be getting taken straight from there and sold. And we're going to be buying in raw stone. 660. 86%. Today, 85%. That's really not bad. And I want to be bringing as much stone as possible over to here as well. We have a good system now. Even if there's inefficiency from insulation, if that means I get more productivity, it's worth it. I need to fix this. These doors are a bit redundant. This one has to go. And this one. And these. Alright, that might fix it. 95%, let's see how it does now. It should never be season up. We should have maxed out workload. And we're using less workers as well. Oh man. I've got a warehouse sitting there with cut stone pointlessly. Wasting workers as well. But this is working, this is looking nice. Productivity is... Alright, we were at about 400 or 500 a day per production. So... And then we're straight up to about 700, which is the highest we've ever had. But that might have to normalise for a minute. 96% insulation, what the hell? I think it's this that's doing this. Gonna refill this and this. Oh man. They're running away to the other side to take this, and this is going to seize up. It's crap. It's not what we want. Come on. That's going to throw the numbers off. I need to have normal production for a few days to see how we're doing. And we're exporting. Very nice. Look at all that. That's good. Come on. Get all this. Come on, come on. Yeah, see bakers, they have massive throughput. What the hell is this here? The fuck? Oh my god, this is what's messing me up, holy shit. That's what's screwing this up. I had a feeling something was not right there. I knew my design was good, I knew it. Oh my god, I can dig out some of these doorways again. Fucking hell. That was bullshit. I had massive nonsense. Oh man. That was so silly, what the f... Alright, it's fixed. 100% insulation, oh good. I'm glad I didn't have to move this, oh that's good. Alright, come on, fill this up, what the hell. Come on. Come on. We're going down here to get the stone, which is not what I want. I want to see this thing running, because this is a great design. I can incorporate this into my... well, that's good enough, I think. 298 workers. That's really good. I would have been happy, I think, if I had 284. That shows that the design works. Let's try to see if we can improve it, right? So I'm going to do it again. That's only half an hour into this. I think I can do better than that even. Let's see if we actually can. Is it 33 by 51 or something? Wait a minute, looking at the wrong thing. I've got some big facilities now. $29 by 51. Let's have a look properly. 28. $27 by 51, I think. Yeah, 27 by 51. Let's have a look. See if we can do this. 27, 51. That's what we're dealing with, isn't it? 2751, I think it is. I think that's a really good design though, I think I'm happy with that. Let's take a look at the baker, because this is probably going to be a big problem. See this bread production? Even though bread has a higher stack capacity of 150 on these little slots, compared to the cut stone of 31, I think furniture is going to be 31 as well. We can maybe even check, have a look. Find some furniture output slots. 6, 7, 8, 7, 5, 6. Yeah, it's just not being produced fast enough to really see. I think that caps at 31. 22, 23, 24. Yeah, it's going to cap at 31. I think it has been capping, and that's been affecting productivity a little bit. Papermaker, I could check this. Paper should be getting produced on decent numbers. Alright, 11, 12. Oh man. Fuck it. Alright, it's gonna be... Well, I can wait for a while and see how this does. 54%. See, look, that day was ruined because... Oh my god, I want to get this warehouse up. And also the stone has to be getting dragged, so I could turn this on, I could upgrade this and automate this a little bit. So upgrade and automate. And that's going to make sure they're going to use wheelbarrows to always make sure there's stone right there where it's needed. 584 stone, sold for 96, so the cost is going down. And then I can get transports that would be set up at the back right here. And then I can send cut stone all around the map. And I can be taken from here above a number, like half capacity. So I would always have some on hand, and the transports would always have priority. That way I'm not eating into my ability to produce. So I'm going to automate, and then I'm going to turn on only cut stone. And they're going to be taken from there, and we're going to be taken from here and above 50%. So we're going to probably manage a few days of storage of cut stone. Oh yeah, look at all that stone there, this is good. And we're at 100% insulation, so I could take down another bit of wall section. Try getting some more wall sections in general, see what we can get away with here. And maybe even delete these. Yeah, deleting them. Just make this whole thing more efficient, please. But yeah, this is great. This is what you want. I think I've got it pretty much. And then I'm gonna cram as much fungus highway as possible all over here. Get that last bit of speed that's needed. Insulation 90, not 100%, yeah. So everything's working. We're getting big storage numbers in cut stone. They're going to be picking up straight from the source. This is going to be accumulating the whole time. Yeah. We have delivery men in here that are going to be getting at all times from these sources. Is it important to set up these orders to get? Can be taken from here as well, up there. So we're going to be dragging stone down into the facility from the north as well. Let's take a look at this now. We've got 87% and 100%. That's looking a lot better. Wow. Those are some good numbers. My god, over 2 cut stone per worker as well. Jesus. That's sweet. I think I've pretty much done it. That's what I wanted. I can now sort of retrofit all of my other facilities with that. My carpenters, I can make a good papermaker doing this. Getting warehouses and internal warehouses and bringing wood in. And like I said, this might eventually be obsolete, because I think what the developer said he wants to do is eventually have a set aside amount of time in the day for just getting resources where they're not allowed to do anything else. So it sort of removes this whole part of the logistics to make it less tedious. But this is kind of interesting to solve. It's a fun puzzle, so I don't know about that. I don't know if I'd want him to dumb it down a lot. Like, I think this is quite cool, trying to figure this stuff out and get it working. Right, let's check again. A minute. Try to figure out the dimensions. 29 by 53. Yeah, like, see this? This is kind of shit. This is the one you want. More workers is not always better. It's really clear. I'll see it soon when I get the numbers in. Let's fast forward and just try and get some numbers that we can see. 2 workers getting cut stone. Don't know if this even needs to be upgraded. I think this is alright how it is. Come on, get it. Come on. Come on, yeah, look at that speed, holy shit. Alright, real time. Man, they're just taking it right there. That's great. Oh man, that's great. Look how efficient this guy is. He can... Let's 5 stone, 8 stone, and it's done. And then he goes again, 5 stone, 8 stone, he's done. Look at that, that's one guy that just hauled 16 stone, 16 workers worth of stone. That's it, that's all you need, just one or two guys and they can do so much. It's great. And that's all getting sold. And the price is still 97, that's a decent price as well. Yeah, so this is all working so well. And I'm a bit have transports that have just solved cut stone for the whole game. They're going to be shipping it around really fast and really efficiently. Let's take a look, see if there's any numbers. 640, 630. Look at that, it's way better. I was getting 500 and something. So for less workers... Look, a good day was 500 back then, some days 400. That's great. Holy shit, that is really good. How much more can I reasonably expect? Because I think a lot of this remaining proximity is gonna just be workplaces. Like, see if I was to get more workplaces down that are just right there. Like, see furniture, have I got furniture? Let's have a look. Yeah. Can upgrade these. Alright. More housing, please. So they're going to be right there. We've got wells, we've got toilets. There's no food. I need to sort out food here. Not much food at all. So this has to get filled up. Oh yeah, it's actually happening already. Good. So... yeah, right, we are sending food over here, okay. So... we should be getting... like 86%, right? It should be getting even higher because we're going to have more workers right there, so it's going to be 8, 16, wait a minute, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so it's normally 6 times 9, 54, 54, 108, 150, 200, add another 50, but 250, so we're going to have most of our... oh man, yeah, I think we're actually getting there with having most of our workers nearby, so we're kind of getting there with having a fully optimised area. The proximity is getting better, the overhead number even is fine, like there are some variables involved, but for example experience I think has been brought down a little bit, but we're still managing better output, still better. Look at that, that's great, oh my god, that is really good. I need, look, this is all getting broken as well because I didn't have my cut stone getting shipped around. So I need to get this going. Yeah, we need to start shipping this cut stone around to see that getting repaired and that'll work. And this is still filling up. Seems like we've got 100%. They're always busy working and it's got 100% insulation, so we did it. This is it. This is it, we managed it, it's solved. I don't think I need to do another one, but just... and that's 45 minutes of testing, but just to make sure I've got 51 by 27, 51, 27, yeah. I don't like deviating from the grid, it's a good habit. 51, 27. I don't know man, that design is... see this shitty one here that's less efficient than it should be? This is actually not bad, because there's slots there that let you not have to extend out by an additional row. Let's have a look here. Even though it's less efficient, it saves space. Like there's nowhere I can put these... if they're back to back, like see here, they need this square to be open, otherwise they can't get access to it, but you can fill in this square as long as that square is open, but when they're back to back, you can't do that. Curious. Curious, very curious. I'm gonna try something. I might be onto something here. Fuck. Wait a minute. Is it bad to have them working from this side? Is that bad? I don't know if that's bad. Because we can actually use this more efficient building like that. Fuck, wait a minute, I'm gonna think about this and maybe we can use this. And yeah, I do want to continue to just have the very south corner unused. Southeast corner. Thinking. Wait a minute. There is a hell of a lot of interesting geometry in this. Fuck. I don't know, man. $216, so we still have more to go, but this is really efficient. Tempted to just try this and see how we do. Yeah, I don't know, maybe this is the way to go here. $288, fuck's sake, we can do even more I think. Let's take a look at this and see what we can pull off then. See how it just covers it? If you want to pack workplaces, you do this. If you want to have auxiliaries, you just have big open areas full of it, and then you can just leave the entire south side to that. 324 is a hell of a result. And there's a decent chunk of space we either have or can just make. And this still permits the warehouse thing. Oh shit. Yeah, okay, so we have to leave the very ends. I think this might even be better. I don't know, it depends how the warehouses fit. Alright, first things first, gotta get this down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know, I think you maybe want to just go for this, seeing as you're doing so much work. It's only 5 furniture, 2.5 steel, so... Alright, and then auxiliaries would be... Okay, so that leaves access all over the south. And then I can get warehouses all over here. And that means if they want to collect, they just have to go here. Alright, keep shrinking, see how we do. This means they're going to be working standing behind, and that might get in the way and slow things down a little bit. We'll have to see how that does. Also, this looks a bit fucked now. Shit. This means I don't have to use double spaces though, that's why that was looking good. Oh my god, I need to do this sort of shit now, don't I? Oh man. Maybe this can work. Alright, maybe. Alright, so this pattern repeating. Oh man, I need to have space though, don't I? That's the thing with this. I need to have pillar space for... Shit, though, I need to know... Yeah. So if we're gonna have 2 slots down there, then... there needs to be more between. Shit, wait a minute. So that means we can get double warehouses down here. I mean, triple, and then, yeah, there's going to be walking space on the other side. Maybe I can cram this even harder, because you're going to be able to walk through. Shit, yeah. So it would be like that. And then it's got to be 1, 2. And then again. And then it's all auxiliaries here. Gotta just cram auxiliaries. And it's still quite grid-like. 74%. I have to just fill this with auxiliaries, don't I? Yeah, it's all auxiliaries now. 324 is quite nice. So it's quite accessible. It follows a nice layout. Warehouse here, warehouse here, warehouse here. God damn, I need to get rid of even more. Alright, fill this back up. Warehouse in there, warehouse in there, warehouse in there. short trip for everyone. Except for down there, but fuck. Can just get rid of this then. Alright, not bad. Gotta just pack this with even more auxiliaries. Oh man, we did it, what the fuck. That's looking really good. Oh, that's really open. What the hell? I can actually have another fucking workbench in there. Jesus. I think I can do that. Oh my god, how the fuck did oh shit. What the fuck? I think this is really good. We have 3 good warehouses internally. It's tempting to get a 4th though, so the transport shares responsibility with that. $98. Oh man, okay. Jesus. Oh my god, it works. Wait a minute, can I do this? Oh no, there's problems, I think. Oh man. There's got to be an optimised solution to this that works. Fuck. Fuck off. Oh no, that's not what I was doing, was it? It's gotta be a way for me to deal with this. I don't know, those storage areas are looking really nice, so fuck. Maybe I should just get rid of this. Kinda losing track of everything that I figured out though and solved. I need to get this straight in my head again. I'm pleased with this though so far, it's looking like it's pretty good. 306 workers might be what I need, that might be it. So I'm gonna have to leave the south side open until I get this built. I wish I could just fucking shrink a room without... a minute, maybe I can do this. Oh my god, it didn't work, did it? Yeah, goddamn, I need to leave a little gap so I can see exactly what I'm doing here. "306 workers is really nice though, man. Wow. Maybe I can make this work if I use these doubles. And then shrink, and then a double, and then back to the... yeah. Maybe this will do it. And then... ah, fuck, look, what the hell. Yeah, so I just need to get some more of this going. Okay. And then... man, it's tempting to try and cram more. These are going to be sweet work spots as well, if I can manage them. "309 workers is really nice, and I'm happy with this design. 4 to 3, 4. A minute. Yeah, I need to get more auxiliaries. I need to get a bit more, don't I? Fuck. Shit. I don't want to obstruct any of these nice channels that I've got set up. This is perfect almost now. I'm there. I'm so close. 309 workers. That's better than the last one, isn't it? It's all focused on the north, all the outputs in the south. It's really, really nice. I just need to get this right. This is so efficient. It's beautiful. Look at that shit, man. Fucker, look at that piece of shit. Everything is just so good. Oh my god. Oh, I've got to capitulate, don't I? Oh man, I need to do this. Okay. Oh, that is really good though. Fucking hell. That is really nice. God damn, that is nice. This is a masterpiece. How close must this be? Jesus Christ. Now I can shrink here. Warehouse on there. Warehouse on there. Warehouse on there. Warehouse on there. Oh my god, it's done, and it's an absolute fucking masterpiece. Holy shit. I need to test it. It's just too good. How many dump doors is that? One? Oh wait, shit, I can even close some of these dump doors. Holy shit, man, I had spare. Spare? Oh my god. It's a fucking masterpiece, holy shit. It's a masterpiece. I'm saving this. Oh yeah, don't you dare crash. 309 9 worker. Is it 6 dump doors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dump door grid. Jesus. Oh my god, alright, it's saved. It's more than my last one. God damn, I'm getting rid of this piece of shit now. Okay, so how well were we doing there for those several days? We were getting 600 days, 640, and then something happened. Alright, let's get this masterpiece down, get rid of these warehouses. 309 worker masterpiece, let's fucking go. Come on, get this beauty up, I want to see this shit. I want to see this fucking masterpiece. Let's go. I'm ready to look at this. Wait a minute, what happened? It's fucking flipped itself, Jesus Christ. Okay. Gotta sort this out now, gotta just delete all these orders. Yeah, it flipped itself, what the hell? Alright, get this down, you bastards. Let's go. Yeah, that's more like it. Jesus, that was weird. I'm ready to see this thing in action. Oh, I'm so ready. Once this is designed, it's done, you know, you don't have to do any more. Man, I'm so pleased with this. Let's go, man, let's go. And I can use this for furniture. What else can I use this for? Holy shit. 309 worker masterpiece. A Bowyer. Carpenter. Jeweler. Oh man. Oh my god. Paper is gonna be so good. Rations as well, my god. Smith is not so valuable, but a tailor even, that'd be overkill. Paper, absolutely. Furniture, absolutely. Man, I need to get more... See if I do a Dondorian playthrough and I have these optimized designs just all over the place. That would be absolutely ridiculous, man. But this is a masterpiece. How do you improve on this? Like, this has got to be just pushing the game up against its limits so hard. How do you improve on this, man? Now, come on, get this built. Fast forward. I'm so tempted to just get an immediate carpenter down doing this. Oh man, imagine making shields with this setup as well. You could even make warhammers with one of these, just bring in loads of stone and wood. Come on, get this built please. Warehouse, oh wait, warehouse. Even the warehouses are pretty respectable, the size. Get these crates down. And another one. Man, it's so good. Holy shit. Come on, get this built. Furniture and metal, here we go. I'm gonna have to do another one of these for a bakery, it's gonna be painful. Look at this though, it's just, this is it, this is end game, this is peak condition right here. Oh my god, they're using cut stone for this, the fuck. Well, if there was ever a place to waste cut stone, it would be right here, my god. And the setup is working now as well, so I can just turn this on. Oh no, what the fuck? Pulling from... Alright, that worked. That went quite well. Alright, just take everything and push down to here. When that's done, it's not accepted. What the fuck? Already has some? Yeah, it's already got some. Alright, I'll just leave that as it is. That's fine. And then push a little bit of this over to the tilapia warehouse. I want to see this setup running just a little bit before I do it for real in an actual proper playthrough. Because we have a lot of production that's really efficient. Right, a lot of shit here is just trashed. And there's no cut stone stored, so we're going to want to see that get fixed. Yeah, look at this, all these warehouses, my god. Accept stone, upgrade, automate, accept stone, upgrade, automate. See these setups, that's where you want to have waste if you're ever going to have it. It's getting built as well right now. It's getting built really fast, it's good. Oh man, it's getting stored. Holy shit. Stone. 900 stone is not that bad. We have so much stone. This is where it needs to be though. Come on, get this built. Get it built, get it built, get it built. Man, this looks great. Fucking looks so good. Come on, finish building, please. What a design. Jesus, man. I'm tempted to just set up dedicated furniture production, paper production, just for these buildings. Come on, let's go. I want to see you in action for at least a minute. Look at all of this crap down here, holy shit, all this auxiliary junk. Oh, here we go, come on, let's go, let's go. Let's fucking go. I'm not gonna upgrade any houses, I want to keep it more or less controlled with initial conditions that I had earlier. Let's take a look at this shit. Oh man, they don't even have tools yet, brilliant. Let's see. We need about 1,000 tools. 3 tools per guy. Insulation 100%. See, I did it. Oh man, I just know how all these systems work. It's great. 700 stone. Gonna be automatically picking up. Oh yeah, here we go. So they're gonna be picking up off the ground. Oh my god, it's clean. It's so clean. Right, we have the tool production, the tool use almost completely. 95%. Oh yeah. Oh my god, almost 3,000 stone used per day. 300 guys making 700 cut stone. It's going to go down, it's going to figure out the actual number. 95% though is so good. What the fuck? There's even some pillars here that are not filled in. The fuck? A minute. Refill. Like what the fuck's going on here with these? Man, it's just, it's so good. 95%. Oh my god, that's a real number, 95%. That's the real number. This is so efficient in fucking every way, what the hell? The stone is gonna get ferried in with wheelbarrows. Oh my god, this is so good. What's going on here? It looks so good. Let's take a look at this now. Stone production. We're gonna have to wait a little bit and then we'll see how we're doing. Man, I think I cracked it. This is so good. Even the little warehouses have good insulation at 48%. What the fuck? So the insulation... Yeah, we're paying double to maintain these warehouses, but it doesn't matter. It just fits into the design so perfectly, so cleanly. Oh man, that's some good speed. Oh my god, it's fast as fuck. I haven't even set up the transports to push that stone right into there yet. That's even going to speed this up. Like if I just have stone, I could even set up an import depot for... No wait, I should have it be... No fuck it, I'll just go further down, more and more. Oh shit, no. Did that wrong. Alright. So we're gonna go center and then exterior. Alright. What's the number? 87%? So it might be... That's still better than what we were on at like 78 or 79 or something. It was... I think that's a low estimate as well. I think we can have it be higher than that. Just wait a minute. Let's take a look if they're getting jammed on guys. Not really. They are a little bit. They are getting snagged on them slightly. Just a little bit, yeah. Still think this is great though, because they're going into the centre to get materials. Everything's getting pulled in the centre, and then the only time it's moving out again is when they're taking it to use it. Like this guy. Walking to job. Cutting stone. Yeah, he's cutting. Do they all share stone while they're cutting it? Does a guy go and get some for the whole group? I think so, because he's just been sitting there cutting fastidiously the whole time. he's bringing 7 stone in, that's going to become 2 cut stone. Yeah, so we have wheelbarrows bringing it in. I think this is all good enough. I think this is what we needed that whole time. And the cut stone should be getting transported around here. Right, we're going to automate this. Oh. 100% workload, and it could be a hit if this fills up. Come on, man, do your jobs. Fuck's sake, it capped out, look at that. They let it cap out. The fuck? Workload still says 100% though. 710 stone, holy shit. That's the best yet. That speaks for itself, 710 636. Man, that is so good. 700 stone is worth... Oh my god, these numbers are nice. That's worth about 70,000. 700 stone is worth about 70,000, and 50,000 of that will be raw profit. Oh man, that's so good. And if we can get bonuses like to experience down there, even the technology bonus, man, you could just go all in on masonries. My god. This is like an endgame masonry facility and it's just really good. Even got a hospital right there. You can even get more housing set up to just support all this workforce, because there's going to be, my god, there's brewers sitting here. Come on, man. Proximity, 85%. I think we're pretty much, you know, mission accomplished with this though. This is good shit. Could just unlock this and permanently have like 10 guys picking up from there. And that will fill up, and then whenever there's guys that can come here and work, I can take guys off this as long as we have guys working here efficiently. That's 6 days worth of storage, or 5 days, as long as these guys are doing their job. And it's right there. It's so good. It's so good. Can even streamline this by getting fungus highways just right there. And here. Man, it's so good, man. Oh yeah, and then they come in and just relieve them. And this hasn't even managed to get to the cut-off point where they start taking from there, so this is an overflow that's right here. This is the only size of warehouse that you really need. The transports are doing their job, I think. Human warehouse, Dundorian warehouse. Do you have cut stone stored? Yeah, they do. Jesus. Okay, so I'm now going to take that limit off. 300. And the janitors should be getting to work. Yeah, this is it. I've done it. So I've got absolutely a masterpiece fucking masonry up here. I just want to watch it happen again, a whole day of production. 660. Nice profit. Maintenance 250. What the fuck? Yeah, there's a lot of maintenance that has to get done because we ran out for a while. But that's it. That is so good. I'm gonna have to do this again for the brewer. Mission accomplished. This is what I wanted to get done. I even used the exact same slot that this was meant to fit in because it was already determined. Like, you can probably optimize for any sort of dimensions that you need. This is it though. Look, it's really grid-like. They can go in straight lines. The longest trip to get material to work is from here to here. Look, it's actually just perfect. The longest trip is from there to there to get the stone, and that's most of the work. Look, they're all right beside a warehouse with stone, all of them. Even the ones on the edge are going to there. I could even, like, I could have these import depots at the edge of the map where they come in, and that might save time. And then I could just set up a lot of transports to just ferry it all into these, just pack, just push it. Push pack, cram all of it into here. And I'd have an internal storage of about 6,000 for about 2 days, so that's 2 full days of storage. Because they use up how much in a day? 2,400? Nearly 3,000. Man, I'm pleased with that. That is the shit right there. Are they repairing? I think I hear them repairing. So yeah, it's happening. Look, they're even going along and repairing all this. Yeah, it's happening. Man, so that's the design, and I've got, what is it? I started with 336 workers in this, producing something like 400 stone, and now I've managed to get up down to 309 workers producing 600 stone. You have to do this for all of your designs. Let's have a look. 400, 570, 400. So anywhere from about 440 or 400, even 400, up to 570, and then, oh my god, we're pushing 700 on a decent day. Jesus, this is just way better. Like, you really need to pay attention to pick up of raw materials. That's really important. These internal warehouses are a fucking godsend. And then just try and preserve a decent grid. And I managed to do all of that while maintaining a quite nice density of workspaces, but you could maybe double space and allow more room to get in and out. But I've got so many ways in and out that I think it's actually fine. Even if they're standing and working, let's have a look at this. They usually don't really get slowed down at all. I think it's negligible. I think you can just forget about that. So what if warehouse workers spend an extra like 2.2 milliseconds, you know? It's, most of these channels are quite open. The wheelbarrow guys are doing fine getting in and out. And yeah, I think transports could be really good. Like if you just had big import depots on the edge of the map and then loads of transports, and we're just pushing straight into the heart of these industries, that could work. 686, look, we're actually at about 700. I don't think that's the housing that I put down, I think that's just an improved efficiency on these workstations. Proximity 0.85. I really do think it is the warehouses that did this. Yep, that's it, that's what I wanted, mission accomplished. I might do another one for the brewer chain, but this means that I can get a better, let's have a look, 309 worker masterpiece, fucking damn right. I can get way more efficient furniture, a jeweler if I wanted it, paper's next, like I need to do paper up here somewhere. I need to just ditch all this shit and just get proper fucking paper production and furniture going. Even if it means building facilities all the way down here. So I need to get rid of these carpenters. I need a carpenter there. I don't even have to have warehouses that have the raw material really at that point. I can just have transports pushing it all in. Import depots nearby a little bit, and that'll do the job. Yep. Perfect. Just wanted to design, make the schematic, and save it. That'll do. Now I can use it in my actual campaign playthrough that I'm doing. Like I can just load the save and immediately put that down and just resume the playthrough on part 13, I think. Perfect.